Everybody is looking for success without even defining the word what success means. A great philosopher once defined the word success as progressive realization of a worthy goal. I repeat, success is a progressive realization of a worthy goal. Now, if we dissect this one word at a time, what does the word progressive mean? Means success is ongoing. It is not a destination, it is a journey. You get here, from here we want to get here, from here we want to get here, and from here we want to get here. And you never get there. It is an ongoing process. It's a journey, not a destination. Realization means what? It is a feeling. It is an experience. I must feel success inside me. You see, unless I feel it inside, I'm not successful. You cannot make me successful. I must feel success inside me. That means success without fulfillment is empty. That is like good looks without goodness. That is why what appears success externally may be total emptiness internally if I don't feel it. It is internal, not external. No wonder billionaires like Elvis Presley, Marilyn Monroe, Michael Jackson take drugs and commit suicide because the fulfillment aspect is missing. So success is internal, not external. Progressive realization of a worthy. Worthy means success is a journey. Worthiness determines the quality of the journey. Can a person have unworthy goals in life? Answer is yes. And what makes a goal worthy? It is our value system. Now, when we talk of values, whose values are we talking about and who are we to judge? And many times people say that there is nothing is right or wrong, your thinking makes it so. Shakespeare said it. Now, folks, if there are no rights and wrongs in this world, then every criminal in this world should be released. Who says they are wrong? You say they are wrong? They didn't think so. Go keep arguing. If there are no rights and wrongs in this world, then Hitler was totally right. Who says he was wrong? You say he was wrong? He didn't think so. Go keep arguing for the rest of your life. But when we talk of values, many times people say values are subjective. See, values keep changing from person to person, situation to situation. This is what people who talk of subjectivity of values is. Now, when people say values are subjective, it means they really have no values. Folks, whenever we talk of values, we talk of not yours and my values. We talk of universal values and eternal values. Universal means they cross country, cross culture, and cross religion. And eternal means they were here before we came, and they were here after we are gone. Just the way you and I, whatever profession we are in, we have productivity benchmarks, we have quality standards. And if we did not have them, we could never achieve them. Similarly, unless we have universal benchmarks on values and ethics, how can we achieve them? Now, I'm not going to get into it, but that's going to take another diversion on this side. Progressive realization of a worthy goal. Folks, sadly, less than 3% people have written goals in life. Most people have dreams and they think they have goals. And what is the difference between the two? A goal is a dream with a deadline, clear direction, and a plan of action. If you dissect this, a goal is a dream with a deadline. What does that mean? Goals are never open-ended. They're always closed-ended. There is always a starting date and a finish date to a goal. Dream with a deadline, clear direction, and a plan of action. And less than 3% people in this world have written goals. Think about it. Folks, let me ask you, would you sit in a train or a plane or a bus without knowing where it's going? Answer is no, we would not. Then why do we go through life without knowing where we're going? It is sad but true. We spend more time planning a party or a vacation than planning our lives, but that is true. We have no written goals. So if we want to get somewhere in life, we must have clear focus on our goals. Look at this. In a game of football, you had both teams ready, all enthusiastic, ready to move on. They're charged up. But supposing before the game starts, you take the goalposts away. What have you done? What have you done to the game? You just destroyed it. How do you keep a score? Folks, the same thing is true in our lives. If we want to get anywhere in life, we need to very clearly understand what is our focus, where we are heading. How can we reach a destination that we don't have? So we need to understand really what the definition of success means, and then follow through progressive realization of a worthy goal if we want to get success. मेरा नाम शिव खेरा है। ये संदेश खास तौर पे हमारे जवानों के लिए है जो वर्दी में हैं। चाहे वो पुलिस में हो या फौज में हो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। हम सबको मालूम है कि देश एक संकट से गुजर रहा है और बहुत से हमारे जवान इस संकट को लड़ने के लिए जो फ्रंट लाइन में गए हुए हैं, किसी न किसी तरीके से कभी ये वायरस से उनको ही पकड़ लिया है। लेकिन मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि इस वायरस को इतना बलवान ना समझें कि इसको हरा नहीं सकते, और अपने आप को इतना कमज़ोर ना समझें कि हम इसके ऊपर विजय नहीं हासिल कर सकते। हम जब भी प्रार्थना करते हैं परमात्मा से, क्या कहते हैं कि परम पिता परमात्मा, आपकी शक्ति अपरंपार है और परमात्मा की शक्ति से कुछ भी हासिल किया जा सकता है। तो हमारे अंदर भी वही परमात्मा की दी हुई शक्ति है। आज वही टाइम है, उसी दिव्य शक्ति का इस्तेमाल करें और इस वायरस को हराएं। और बहुत बारी जिंदगी में मानसिक शक्ति शारीरिक शक्ति से ज़्यादा अहमियत रखती है। ये देश एक वीर भूमि है और हमारे सब जवान जितने हैं वीर हैं, और वीरता की पहचान होती है साहस, संतुलन और धैर्य। और उस संतुलन से क्या होता है, अपनी नेगेटिव सोच को हटा देते हैं हम और पॉजिटिव सोच को बढ़ा देते हैं हम। और इस सोच से हमारे को इतनी ताकत मिलती है कि हम जिंदगी में हर जंग, हर लड़ाई पे विजय हासिल कर सकते हैं। मेरा आपको सही संदेश है, सबको शुभकामना है कि आप अपनी संतुलन को पॉजिटिव सोच रखें और इस पे विजय हासिल करें। जय हिंद।